So greeting dear students, in this module we will discuss about numericals based upon the topics of chapter 12 electricity, the heating effect, the electrical energy consumed, the commercial unit of electricity. So we will start with the first numerical. In the first numerical, what we have to do, calculate the energy transferred by 5 ampere current flowing through a resistor of 2 ohm for 30 minutes. So how we can solve this numerical? First we will follow the same pattern, what is given and what we have to find out. So calculate the energy transferred. So what we have to calculate? The energy transfer by a current. So what is given? Current 5 ampere flowing through a resistor. So resistance is given 2 ohm. The time is given 30 minutes. So these are the parameters which are given in the statement. So what we have to calculate? What is the value of energy? And we are already aware what is the formula to calculate energy. So to calculate energy, what we do? Power into time. So first we have to calculate the power. How we can calculate the power? Power can be calculated according to the given values. So what is power? Now given values are current flowing through the resistor and resistance. So we will use I square R. And what is the value of I? 5 into 5. And what is the value of resistance? 2 ohm. So sorry, don't have to write the ohm. Power is given in watt. So why we use this formula? Because we are given with I and R. So now we have calculated the value of power. Time we already have. So what should we do? We should convert that energy into kilowatt hour, because this is the commercial unit. So it's better we can convert that into kilowatt hour. Either it is specifically mentioned that you have to calculate in joules, you have to go with this kilowatt hour. So we have already calculated the power. Power is 50 watt. Now we can put this value here. So but before putting this, E is equal to 50 watt. E is equal to power into time. I am using that formula. So power we have already calculated 50 watt, but 50 watt is not in kilowatt. So first I will convert that into kilowatt by dividing it with 1000. Now what is time? Look at the unit of time. Time is given in minute. What is our unit? Kilowatt hour. So we have to convert this into hour. Either you can convert here or you can directly convert here. It's on you. So E is equal to, this is the power in kilowatt and time in hour. So by doing this, you will get 0.025 kilowatt hour. By solving this, you will get the answer 0.025 kilowatt hour, or you can directly write 0.025 unit, because 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. So that's how we can solve these type of numericals. Now I think clear to everyone what is given, what we have to calculate. So we have used the formula according to the given parameter. They are asking about, you have to calculate the energy. For energy we use the formula power multiplied by time. और ये formula कहाँ से आया? Power is what? The rate of consumption of energy, and energy is equal to power multiplied by time. So I hope this numerical is clear to everyone. This is the simpler numerical. Now we'll move to the second numerical. Again we will follow the same pattern. So before following the same pattern, first read the statement carefully. A bulb rated 200 volt 100 watt. So in most number of numerical you will find like this कि एक इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब है हमारे पास, उसकी करंट रेटिंग या पावर रेटिंग कितनी है? 200 वोल्ट. मतलब उसको कितना पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस चाहिए? 200 वोल्ट. एंड 100 वोल्ट इज पावर. What is its resistance? So first you have to calculate the resistance. 5 सच बल्ब्स बर्न फॉर 4 आवर, कि ऐसे 5 बल्ब लेते हैं उसको हम 4 आवर्स के लिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं. एंड व्हाट इज़ द इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी कंज्यूम. तो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट 3 वैल्यूज़. फर्स्ट इज रेजिस्टेंस, electrical energy consumed, and what should be the cost, and what is calculate the cost if the rate is 4.60 rupees per unit, कि एक यूनिट के इतने पैसे लगते हैं. तो इनको हमने 4 आवर्स के लिए यूज़ किया और कितने बल्ब हैं 5, तो हमारा कितना कॉस्ट आएगा. सो अगेन डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 पार्ट गिवन and what we have to find out. We will find them step by step. So in first statement, what is given? A bulb rated 200 volt. So potential difference is given 200 volt and power is written 100 volt. 5 such bulbs, and what is its resistance? So first we have to calculate the individual resistance. कि एक बल्ब की रेजिस्टेंस कितनी है. So what is the formula of power? कि हम कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे पावर का जिसमें रेजिस्टेंस होती है, and that formula is V square by R. Rearrange it. R is equal to V square by P. So R, what is the value of V? 200 into 200 divided by power. Power is 100. So R is equal to 400 ohm. की रेजिस्टेंस जो है वो हमारी कितनी आ गई है 400 ohm. So now we have 3 values. R is equal to 400 ohm. 5 such bulbs burn for 4 hours. कि ऐसे कितने बल्ब हैं? नंबर ऑफ बल्ब्स 5. और कितने टाइम के लिए हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं? 5 such bulbs burn for 4 hours. We have to calculate. I hope this is clear to everyone. So first we have already calculated. Second they are asking how much electrical energy is consumed. So electrical energy is equal to power into time. So how we can calculate? Energy is power into time, but again we have to calculate the energy and its cost. So per unit. So first step is the same. We have to convert, before going to this, power is one bulb is 100 watt. What is given? Watt. We have to convert it into kilowatt. Divide by 1000. By dividing by 1000, you will get 0.1 kilowatt. It is the power of single bulb. So now power we have already calculated. Time is 4 hour. So for time is 4 hour, we will use this formula. E is equal to what is power? 0.1. Time is already given in hours, so it will be 0.4 kilowatt hour. But read it here. How many bulbs? 5. But here what we have? तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास कितने बल्ब हैं? ये हमने एक बल्ब के लिए कैलकुलेट किया. एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू 0.1 into 4, 0.4 kilowatt hour. So how many bulbs? This is for one bulb. How many bulbs we have? 5 bulbs. So energy consumed by 5 bulbs will be equal to 5 multiplied by 0.4. It will be 2 kilowatt hour. 2 kilowatt hour is the energy consumed by how many bulbs? 5 bulbs. For the how much time interval? If they are used for 4 hours. कि 5 बल्ब हैं, हर एक की पावर कितनी है? 100 वोल्ट, और उसको हम अगर 4 आवर्स के लिए यूज़ करते हैं तो वो कितनी एनर्जी कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं? 2 किलोवाट आवर. नाउ वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. कैलकुलेट द कॉस्ट इफ द रेट इज़ 4.60 रुपीज़ पर यूनिट. कि एक यूनिट का कितने पैसे हैं? 4.60. और हमारे यहाँ पे कितनी यूनिट है? 2 किलोवाट आवर, और यू कैन राइट 2 यूनिट्स. सो 1 यूनिट का कितना है? 4.60. तो 2 यूनिट का क्या होगा? 4.60 into 2, and that will be, you can calculate this, what will be the answer in case of 2 units. So it will be 9 rupees 20 paisa. So this is the answer of second question. So these type of numericals generally comes in the board exam. So a bulb is rated 200 volt, 100 watt. What is its resistance? You have to calculate the resistance. We have already calculated the resistance. It is 400 ohm. 5 such bulbs are burned for 4 hours. कि 5 ऐसे बल्ब हैं जिसको हम 4 आवर्स के लिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं. तो हमको क्या निकालना है कि कितनी इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी उसने क्या किया है, कंज्यूम किया. सो इन फर्स्ट स्टेप बाय यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला ऑफ पावर P इज इक्वल टू वी स्क्वेयर बाय आर, हमने ये फॉर्मूला यूज़ किया और क्या कैलकुलेट किया है हमने, उसकी रेजिस्टेंस ऊपर ले जाएंगे, पावर नीचे आ जाएगी. एंड रेजिस्टेंस कैलकुलेटेड वाज 400 ओम फॉर वन सिंगल बल्ब. नेक्स्ट वी कैलकुलेटेड द एनर्जी कंज्यूम बाय द सिंगल बल्ब, दैट वाज 0.4 किलोवाट आवर फॉर 5 बल्ब मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5, 2 किलोवाट. और 1 यूनिट का कितना प्राइस है, 4.60. 2 किलोवाट आवर बोलो या 2 यूनिट्स बोलो तो वो कितना आ गया, 9 रुपीज़ 20 पैसा. So this is the solution of second numerical. So generally these type of numerical comes in your board exam. So now next we will solve the third numerical. So the third numerical is, again we will follow the same pattern. What is given? So what is given? First we will read the statement. A potential difference of 250 volt. 250 volt is applied across a resistance of 500 ohm. Resistance is 500 ohm. In an electric pan, calculate, हमको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है कि कितना वो करंट कंज्यूम कर रहा है, एंड हीट एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस इन जूल्स. अब देखो यहाँ पे स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन है, यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट हीट एनर्जी इन जूल्स. सो नो नीड टू कन्वर्ट इन किलोवाट और एनीथिंग. सो what we have to calculate, I. Second is the heat energy produced in joules in time 10 seconds. So these are the two parameters that we have to calculate based upon this given parameter. So first we have to calculate the I. Simplest of all, by using the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So what is V? 250. I we have to calculate, resistance is 500. So 250 divided by 500, 1 by 2. So I is 1 by 2 or 0.5 ampere. So next is the simple, we have to calculate H. We will use the Joule's law of heating, the simplest of all. What is Joule's law of heating? I square RT. So now check, either we have all the parameter. I already calculated, R 500 ohm. Rather than using the capital T, better it is used, you should use small t. So T is 10 second. So what is the value of I? 0.5. For the sake of calculation, I am writing 1 by 2 into 500 into 10. So by doing this, you can solve it, and the value is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 500 into 10. So it will be 1250 joules. So be careful, it is in 1250 joule because they have specifically asked in joules. If they ask in kilojoule, divide by 1000, it will be 1.250 joules. So these are the three numerical based upon the energy conversions. So energy transfer कितना हुआ? In second numerical we calculated the three terms. If the question is of 5 marks or let us assume 3 marks, so 1 mark for the resistance, 1 mark for the electrical energy consumed, and generally 1 mark for the cost of the total energy consumed. Next was potential difference. Again they are asking two terms, current and electrical energy, heat energy produced. So generally these type of numerical comes, they will give you 2 part or 3 part depend on the mark distribution, and each step have mark distribution. So all of you have gone through, must have gone through the marking scheme, how to write the answers. So similarly check the numericals, how to write the answers in case of numerical, because most of you are afraid कि numerical है छोड़ दो उसको, ऐसा नहीं करना है. You can write the steps, at least you can get the marks for the step, but by the practice you will be familiar कि which formula you have to use. विदाउट प्रैक्टिस इट विल बी इम्पॉसिबल, कि आपको कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज़ करना है, इट विल बी इम्पॉसिबल, क्योंकि पता लगाना मुश्किल हो जाएगा कि कौन सा फॉर्मूला हम लगाएं कौन सा नहीं लगाएं। तो ये तभी होगा जब आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे। एंड न्यूमेरिकल आर एज मच एज इम्पोर्टेंट एज थ्योरी। सो दिस इज़ अबाउट दीज 3 numericals. So thank you students.